Welcome to Teresina, the heart of the Brazilian Northeast, a place rich in unique landscapes, authentic culture, and vibrant people. Teresina, the capital of the state of Piauí, is the only capital in Brazil not located along the coast. Instead, it lies at the confluence of two rivers, the Parnaiba and Poti, creating a lush green oasis in the middle of a semi-arid region. Teresina is located in an inland region of the state of Piauí, near the border with the state of Maranhão, at the spot marked by the red arrow. Today, we'll explore what makes Teresina a hidden gem worth discovering, from the enchanting natural attractions to its bustling urban life and rich history. Pack your bags and get ready for an immersive journey. Teresina, founded in 1852, was the first planned city in Brazil and designed to be the capital of Piauí, replacing the former capital of Oeiras. Its grid-like layout was a novel concept for its time, modeled after the North American cities. Named after Empress Teresa Cristina, the city grew and developed around the fertile lands between the Parnaiba and Poti rivers. This historical background still influences Teresina's urban landscape, with many landmarks and structures that narrate the city's development. As we move through the city, the past and present of Teresina blend seamlessly, creating a unique atmosphere that invites you to linger. The Parnaiba and Poti rivers shape the life and character of Teresina. Start your journey along the rivers, where locals gather, relax, and play. There are numerous parks and green areas along the riverbanks, making it a great way to discover Teresina's natural side. One highlight is the Poti Cabana Park, a lively and family-friendly spot with sports courts, picnic areas, and open spaces where locals and visitors alike enjoy activities under the sun. If you're here at sunset, the sight of the sun dipping into the waters is unforgettable. One of Teresina's most famous attractions is the Encontro dos Rios, or Meeting of the Rivers Park. Here, the Parnaiba and Poti rivers come together in a striking natural landscape. The park offers walking trails, scenic lookout points, and a small museum that explains the ecology and history of the region. Don't miss the statue of Cabeça de Cuia, a local folklore figure, which adds a mystical touch to the surroundings. This park is also a fantastic place to take photos and experience a peaceful moment in nature at the meeting point of the two rivers. For a deeper understanding of Piauí's history, make your way to the Museu do Piauí, also known as the Odilon Nunes Museum. Located in a colonial-style building, the museum houses artifacts and exhibits that trace the state's development and its indigenous heritage. The museum's collection spans pre-colonial artifacts, colonial history, and the evolution of the city over time. You'll find traditional art, clothing, tools, and even fossils, offering a vivid insight into the region's cultural evolution. This is a must-visit for history lovers and anyone wanting to understand the local identity of Piauí. Teresina has a thriving artisan community that produces unique handicrafts, ceramics, and textiles reflecting the rich culture of the Northeast. A visit to the Central de Artesanato Mestre Desenho will introduce you to some of the best local artisans and their work. Here, you can browse through colorful, intricate crafts that represent the region's artistic heritage. Look for handcrafted clay dolls, wood carvings, and vibrant textiles, all made using traditional techniques passed down through generations. Supporting local artisans by purchasing their crafts also contributes to preserving the cultural heritage of Teresina. The Ponte Estaiada, or the Estaiada Bridge, is one of Teresina's most iconic modern structures. This cable-stayed bridge, completed in 2010, crosses the Poti River and offers stunning views of the city from its observation tower. Visitors can take an elevator to the top of the 95-meter-high tower to get a panoramic view of Teresina and the surrounding landscape. It's especially beautiful at night when the bridge is illuminated. The Ponte Estaiada is more than just a bridge. It has become a symbol of Teresina's growth and modernity. Teresina may be compact, but it's packed with lesser-known sites that reveal even more of its charm and cultural richness. From historic landmarks to serene green spaces, here are some more destinations to enrich your exploration of this vibrant city. An interesting landmark to visit is the metal bridge that connects Teresina to the outskirts of Timon, a city in the state of Maranhão. Timon lies on the opposite bank of the Parnaiba River, which serves as the natural border between the states of Piauí and Maranhão. The Zoo Botânico de Teresina, a unique blend of zoo and botanical garden, is a sanctuary for both flora and fauna native to Brazil's northeast. Spanning over 100 hectares, this ecological park provides an immersive natural experience in the middle of the city. Wander through pathways surrounded by lush vegetation and discover animals like jaguars, macaws, and various species native to the region. This park is ideal for families, nature lovers, and anyone interested in learning about the rich biodiversity of Piauí. Additionally, it's a fantastic place to relax and enjoy a picnic under the shade of towering trees. It's also an educational experience, with conservation programs and information about local wildlife, making it a great spot to understand the ecological significance of the region. For a glimpse into Teresina's political and architectural history, visit the Palácio de Karnak. This impressive palace serves as the official seat of the Piauí state government and stands as a symbol of the city's historical evolution. Originally built as a modest residence in the 19th century, it has undergone transformations that have added to its grandeur, combining Greek-inspired elements with Brazilian colonial influences. Visitors can explore the gardens and the exteriors, while guided tours provide insight into the palace's significance and Piauí's governmental history. The palace is particularly notable for its elegant design, both inside and out, with columns, fountains, and lush gardens. While it's an active government building, the palace remains an essential cultural landmark and a favorite among architecture enthusiasts. One of Teresina's most beloved historic sites, the Igreja São Benedito, is a beautiful example of colonial religious architecture in the city. Built in the early 20th century, this church is dedicated to Saint Benedict, the patron saint of the Afro-Brazilian community in Piauí. Its neo-Gothic facade, intricate interior decorations, and serene atmosphere make it a place of reflection and reverence. Inside, visitors are greeted by stained glass windows, classic wooden pews, and an altar adorned with religious art. The church is a testament to the region's religious heritage, and it's a peaceful spot to pause and absorb the spiritual side of Teresina. For those interested in the history and culture of Brazilian Catholicism, Igreja São Benedito provides a unique window into the local faith. To experience the authentic, everyday life of Teresina, head to the Mercado Central São José. This bustling market is a hub for fresh produce, spices, and local delicacies. Here, you can find a wide array of fruits, vegetables, meats, and artisanal products that reflect the flavors of the Northeast. Strolling through the aisles, you'll encounter the warmth and hospitality of the vendors, who are eager to share stories about their products. Don't miss the chance to try regional treats such as queijo coalho, a local cheese, handmade sweets, and pão de macaxeira, a cassava-based bread that's a local favorite. It's an excellent place to buy souvenirs, including handmade crafts, and engage with the local community in a vibrant setting. Another gem in Teresina is Parque Lagoas do Norte, a large urban park that combines nature, leisure, and community spaces. This park is known for its interconnected lagoons, where visitors can enjoy a scenic stroll, paddle boat rides, and picnic areas. The park is a popular destination for families, joggers, and cyclists, offering a serene escape from the urban hustle. Designed with sustainability in mind, the park also features eco-friendly projects and spaces for cultural events. Art installations, sports courts, and playgrounds are spread throughout, making it an inclusive space where both locals and tourists can relax and unwind. Parque Lagoas do Norte is a testament to Teresina's commitment to enhancing green spaces and offering recreational options for the community. Housed within the São Benedito Church, the Museu de Arte Sacra, Museum of Sacred Art, holds an impressive collection of religious artifacts, paintings, and sculptures that tell the story of Catholicism in the region. This museum, though small, is a treasure trove of sacred art, showcasing works from the colonial period to the present day. Exhibits include intricately carved wooden saints, ornate church objects, and beautifully crafted robes that priests would wear during important ceremonies. The museum offers a reflective experience, allowing visitors to connect with the spiritual history of Teresina. It's an ideal stop for art lovers and history enthusiasts alike. For those interested in Teresina's contemporary art scene, a visit to the Centro Cultural SESC Queixaral is a must. This cultural center offers a variety of exhibits, performances, and workshops that celebrate local and national artists. Housed in a beautifully restored historic building, it serves as a creative hub where artists showcase visual art, theater, music, and dance. The SESC frequently hosts exhibitions highlighting the works of Piauí's artists, offering insight into the modern and traditional styles that shape the regional art scene. It's a fantastic venue to experience the energy of Teresina's artistic community and discover emerging talents in Brazilian art. With these additional destinations, Teresina reveals itself to be more than just a place to visit. It's a city to experience deeply. From natural beauty to historical sites, bustling markets, and vibrant cultural spaces, Teresina offers a multifaceted journey. Remember to pace yourself, as each spot offers a unique ambience worth savoring. Teresina is an off-the-beaten-path gem where you can explore Brazilian culture in an authentic and intimate way. Embrace the warmth of the people, the vibrancy of the arts, and the serenity of the parks. And take home memories that are rich, colorful, and unforgettable. No trip to Teresina would be complete without savoring the local cuisine, which combines indigenous, African, and Portuguese influences. The city's signature dishes often feature cassava, rice, and fish from the rivers, seasoned with regional spices and flavors. One classic dish you must try is carne de sol, a type of dried, salted meat served with sides like rice, beans, and fried cassava. For a unique dessert, look for dishes made with buriti, a local palm fruit with a distinct, sweet taste. Teresina's vibrant food scene ranges from family-owned eateries to fine dining restaurants, offering flavors that reflect the city's diverse heritage. A non-alcoholic beverage made from caju fruit, the cashew apple, is very popular in the state of Piauí. This drink even inspired singer Caetano Veloso's song Cristalina em Teresina, in which he drew from the work of poet Torquato Neto. When the sun sets, Teresina's nightlife comes alive with music, dance, and celebration. The city has a lively music scene, and you'll find everything from traditional forró to contemporary Brazilian pop. For a taste of the local nightlife, head to the Centro de Artesanato or popular clubs and bars in the area. Whether you prefer a laid-back evening with acoustic music or a lively dance party, Teresina offers a variety of venues to suit every preference. Don't miss the opportunity to join in on a forró dance, a quintessential Northeast Brazilian experience. One of the most remarkable aspects of Teresina is the warmth and friendliness of its people. Known for their hospitality, the locals make visitors feel welcome and quickly at home. This warmth is reflected in every encounter, from the lively market vendors to the artisans proudly displaying their crafts. The people of Teresina are deeply connected to their traditions, and they're always eager to share stories and tips to help you explore their city. As you move through Teresina, you'll feel like you're part of a big family. If you're planning a trip to Teresina, here are some tips to help make your experience smooth and enjoyable. Teresina has a semi-arid climate with two main seasons: the rainy season from December to April and the dry season from May to September. The dry season is ideal for comfortable temperatures and little rain, making it perfect for outdoor activities and sightseeing. Due to the hot weather, bring lightweight, breathable clothing, sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses to protect yourself from the sun. Comfortable walking shoes are also recommended, as you'll likely want to explore parks and urban attractions on foot. Teresina has a well-serviced public transport system, and taxis or ride-sharing services like Uber are also available. However, if you plan to explore surrounding areas, consider renting a car for more flexibility and access to remote sites. Many city attractions are close to each other, making it easy to visit multiple places in a day. Teresina is generally safe for tourists, but as in any city, it's wise to stay alert, especially in crowded places like markets. Avoid carrying large amounts of cash and keep valuable items secure. Teresina may not be the most famous destination in Brazil, but it's undoubtedly one of the most authentic. Its unique mix of culture, nature, history, and warm-hearted locals makes it a captivating place to visit. From the serene riverbanks to the bustling urban scenes, every corner of Teresina tells a story of resilience, tradition, and beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Teresina, Piauí, Brazil, a hidden gem filled with history, culture, and natural beauty. We hope this video has inspired you to explore a different side of Brazil, one far from the typical tourist trails, yet rich in unique experiences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel inspiration here on DSV Travel Trip. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy travels!